Welcome to day 12 of a movement a day Qigong. Today we're going to do a flow. So we'll start with our hands down by our sides. And we'll just float our hands up. And then relax, float them back down. Inhale as we're coming up. And exhale as we're going down. Now it's not just the arms that are moving. We're going to have the whole body participating in this flow. So as we go up, we bend our knees a little bit more than they already are. And maybe we rock back and forth onto our toes and our balls of our feet and our heels, just gently. And everybody does it a little bit different. I know I naturally go forward as I come up, and then I go back onto my heels as I go down. But I think some other people do it the opposite way. So see where they're rocking under their toes as they go back, kind of a counterbalance. So you can see which one works for you. Inhale as you go up, exhale back down. Inhale up and exhale back down. Let me give you a little bit of a side view so you can get an idea. Inhale and exhale. This is a flow, so it's going to help restore those stores of Qi. You can think of the going up when you're inhaling like you're going to throw out a beach blanket, right? That you're going to lie down on the beach. So it's kind of like there's a little bit of a flow it up and bring it back in. Making the movement very circular. You can go just straight up and come back down, just like that. Or you can kind of be more in a circle. Exhale as you come back down. And the slight variations. The key thing is to be connecting the whole body. And it takes a while when you're doing a flow to kind of get into the movement of it. When I switched to the side, I was like a little bit discoordinated. And now I'm in my flow again. So that's why it's important to give yourself some time when you're doing a flow so that you can drop into it. It's nice to do flows for a few minutes at least. Because 1 minute's just not going to do it. It takes that while to just become familiar with the motion. And then you can relax, calms the mind, releases tension in the body, just relaxing everything more and more. Inhale up. And exhale down. Slow, deep breathing, sending that message to the nervous system that it's time to relax. Little mosquito there, that time of day. A flow like this where you're kind of rocking forward, rocking back, connecting your arms to your legs. Also is going to improve your balance. It's going to make you a little bit more coordinated as you move about your day. So it's very nice. That's why Qigong's known for helping people keep their balance. The other thing with Qigong is that we're developing an awareness of energy. And so flows really help to do that. Let's do one more. Just settle down. Let the energy sink and fill you up. Notice how your body's feeling. And that's our movement for the day. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.
Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm so happy for you. See you tomorrow.